Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 4G in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Chinese company Xiaomi is known for creating popular smartphones, but many fans feel that the company's older models were better. Xiaomi seems to have listened to this feedback and created a new phone, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 4G, which is essentially a copy of the popular 10th generation phablet from the company. The design of the phone has undergone some minor changes, such as new colors for the glass back panels and a new look for the block of 4 cameras, but the overall shape of the phone and thickness of the display's borders remain the same. Unfortunately, the plastic frame has not been eliminated, but it now includes a fingerprint scanner on the side. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display maintains its Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, making it easy to view in bright sunlight. The phone's technical specifications may evoke feelings of nostalgia. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G CPU, along with 8GB of RAM and Adreno 618 graphics, is still capable of handling most tasks. The MIUI operating system, based on Android 13, runs smoothly without lagging, and there is plenty of space for running many 3D games. Fans of Call of Duty and PUBG can enjoy comfortable gameplay at high graphic presets, while Genshin Impact fans may need to adjust the graphics to avoid lag. The processor is energy efficient, providing a battery life of 9 to 10 hours of active screen time. The 5020 mAh battery is now equipped with 67W fast charging, which only takes 40 to 45 minutes to reach full charge. The internal storage capacity has been increased to 256GB, and a separate slot for micro SD cards is still available. The camera features 108, 8, 5, and 2 megapixel photo modules that are good for the price category. While the auxiliary sensors are not impressive and only the wide-angle lens will likely be used, the main module can handle daytime shooting well, even without optical stabilization. It can also capture evening shots with minimal noise and record videos in 4K resolution. Stereo sound is present, and its volume is good. Overall, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 4G is a solid mid-range phone that is very similar to its predecessor. It has some minor improvements, such as better battery life and faster charging, but is still a good option for those who are looking for a budget-friendly phone with decent specs. This concludes the review. Bye-bye.